Long Street in Milton. It's a little bit rainy today. We try to get a couple quick outside pictures. Yard work is scheduled to be done as soon as the weather permits, so we know it needs cutting. 2-car garage, ample parking. Here's your neighborhood. Garage and your front porch area. And that's your parking area right there. All right, we just walked inside. That's your entryway door, a little foyer, 2 windows. Swing around. This would be your main living space right here. Actually, this would be the formal dining area, I'm sorry. It could be used as an office, would function as that. Vinyl plank flooring. I'll get you a couple different views. And that's your entryway. Vinyl flooring. Vaulted ceiling, some plant ledges up there. And I'll get you another view from the entry door. So this is what you see as you walk in. All right, then you walk straight into the kitchen. Nice flooring. On the right, we have the pantry. For shelving. Dishwasher. Looks like plenty of storage. We have a large sink, farmhouse sink, I believe they call that. Upscale faucet. And a good window to look out of. Get plain natural light in here. A raised ceiling, fluorescent light. Like I said, lots of storage. Coil top stove. And a micro built in. And that's your stove. Lots of food prep area. And once again, tons of storage. And you do have your over and under refrigerator right there. And we'll get you one more view of the entire kitchen. Right there. All right, we're turning around. This would be your main living space. Large double window on the right. Ceiling fan, vaulted style ceilings. Looks like those doors would lead out to the patio. We'll go out there in a minute. That's an open floor plan. And your HVAC system would be right there, air conditioning. And I'll get you one more view from your hall area. So, all right. We'll walk in the back now. This would be your master back here with carpeting, double window, and an access door that goes out to your little porch in the rear. And that will be your master bath right there. You want to check our dimensions on your website. A king size bed would fit in here. And check our dimensions. So that's your master. And here's the bath. Tile style flooring, garden tub, commode area, double sink, large mirror, lighting, lots of storage and cabinet area. There is a separate shower. I'm hoping it focused. We'll do it one more time. But there is a shower there. There we go. Okay. And this is a walk-in closet. Shelving. Carpet on the floor. Very good. And I'll get you one more view of the bathroom from the shower area. Very good. Let me spin around and try to get the shower one more time. I know it's hard to see. There we go. There's a shower. All right, we're back in the hallway now. That's the entry door. We're going to see the other bedrooms. There are two of them. This would be bedroom number 2, we'll call it. Carpet on the floor. Single window, ceiling fan. I would say a queen size, a full or a queen would be the biggest I'd put in here. Closet. And once again, check our dimensions to be sure on your furniture. And we'll go to the next bedroom, similar in size. Carpet, single window, and double closet. Ceiling fan, same size roughly. Check our dimensions. And then you have a hall bathroom and shower, single lavatory, mirror, lighting, tile floor. And we do have a closet right here. And then from there we walk into the washing area, washer dryer, hookups, electric water heater. This is your 2-car garage with motor, pull down attic space, 2 fluorescent lights, standard 2-car garage. All right, we're going out the back doors now. Double doors leading to a little porch area in the back. That's the single door that goes into the master bedroom. I'll swing around. See a little porch area, enough for a chair and a couple table and a couple of chairs. You do have a fenced rear yard and a large oak tree, plenty of shade. And I'll reach out, show you the neighborhood a little bit. And that is your backyard. Hope you like it.